Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Friday I taught a very early online lesson. And as students were turning up in the Zoom room, I was chatting to them, seeing how everybody was. One of my students started complaining a little bit, saying, "It just seems so unfair that I still have to work for another 6 or 7 weeks. I know it's only November the 7th, but it already feels like I'm in the run-up to Christmas." If you talk about in the run-up to, for example, Christmas, you basically mean the period of time leading up to Christmas. So I was out last week in the centre of London, and even though it is only early November, it does already feel like we are in the run-up to Christmas, because the Christmas lights were out, the pubs were full, and so on. It's a phrase you often hear used in business news, for example. So you might hear that sales were up 30% in the run-up to Christmas. You also hear it used a lot in politics. So you might hear things like, things are going to get crazy here in the run-up to the election. Yeah, in the run-up to the referendum, I imagine we'll hear loads more nonsense like this. And you also often hear it in sport. So maybe a particular team's been doing very badly. They've had a disastrous season. They're at the bottom of the league table. And in those circumstances, maybe there's 10 more games to play. It would take a remarkable run of wins in the run-up to the end of the season for them to avoid relegation, going down to a lower league. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use in the run-up to